Hey there, this is BerryBase Makerspace, and we're going to have a look today at the Raspberry Rover from Waveshare. This model has had some issues with it, so we're going to open this up, have a look inside, see what's wrong, and maybe with some donor parts we can get it working again. If you're wondering what it is, it's an open source 4-wheel drive AI robot. Yeah, so we're going to have a look and see what we can do with it. From the hardware to the web UI, everything about this robot has this cool, tactical look and feel. The surgery is now complete, we just needed to replace a couple of motors. The robot will be in our Makerspace as a mascot, but we don't have a name yet. Leave your suggestion in the comments and we'll pick the best one.